I am rebuilding Diablo 1 in Godot. And last week, the butcher literally destroyed me. To make sure it never happens again, we are implementing loot and a fully functional grid-based inventory. Let's start with an empty chest and drop 100 sausages, just to tease the butcher. I think it works. The problem is they're all spawning on the exact same position. To fix this, let's write some code to scan the grid around the chest and drop them in available tiles only. Wow, this image will haunt me forever. Anyways, let's add a quick animation for some flair, and perfect! It's so satisfying. But right now, they're just floor decorations. For now, let's pretend these sausages are health potions. When clicked, they need to go straight into the hotbar. Implementing this is actually straightforward. The underlying logic is just a dictionary tracking item IDs and their slot index. The UI, just a simple row of texture rec nodes that read the dictionary and update their sprites on the fly. And it works flawlessly until you pick up too many sausages. Because the hotbar only has 8 slots, any extra items just disappear into the void. So, if the hotbar is full, we just drop the item right back into the world. Nailed it! And if we detect mouse input on each individual slot, we can click an item to pick it up, update the mouse icon, and click on any slot to place it back down. All good until your cursor is stuck looking like a sausage. If I click in the game world, I need to drop the item. Brilliant! The hotbar is fully functional, but let's be real, 8 slots are not going to hold the butcher's cleaver, a shield, and a stack of gold coins. Before we add a proper inventory, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. A grid inventory is a completely different beast than a hotbar. A potion takes up 1 slot, but a small axe takes up 2 by 3. The backbone for this isn't a dictionary, it's a 2D array made up of rows and columns. And for the visuals, I am absolutely not placing 40 individual slots by hand. Instead, every time you pick up an item, the code wipes the inventory, reads the 2D array, and generates brand new textures entirely through code. But building it this way immediately caused a nasty bug. Large items are drawn multiple times. To solve this, I engineered a tracker dictionary. When we find a new item in the grid, we draw the sprite once and add the item to the tracker so it doesn't get drawn again. With the rendering fixed, we need to handle drag and drop. The rule is simple. We can only place an item if the drop zone is completely free, or if it overlaps with exactly one item to perform a clean swap. Smooth! Let's swap our sausage placeholders with the real thing. Okay, we found an axe. It's terrible, but right now we need a weapon. Wait, we forgot the most important slots. We can just recreate one hotbar slot for each gear piece. Unfortunately, we also need the player sprites to actually change based on what items we have equipped. In Diablo 1, it's done using a different animation for every weapon and chest piece combination, so I am simply swapping textures on the fly every time my equipment changes. Oh yes! And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. My revenge.
Fresh meat.
Oh, okay, that was underwhelming. And no cleaver? Are you kidding me? This game is rigged. I better head back to town. Hold on, what is this? This is not Tristram.
Affirmative. Acknowledged.
I guess we're rebuilding Red Alert next.
Send help.